In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new project in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to confidently create a clean starting point for your work. Start on the home page in Asana. This gives you a central view of your recent work and a quick path to create something new. Look to the left sidebar and open the Projects area, then select New Project. This is your gateway to all of Asana's templates and starting options. On the creation screen, you'll notice a few helpful sections curated to speed up your setup. For you, highlight suggestions that are personalized to your activity and workspace. It's a great place to get inspiration if you're unsure where to start. You'll also see categories like marketing, operations and PMO, and productivity. Each of these groups contains purpose-built templates and structures commonly used by teams. Take a moment to scan them so you understand what's available and what might fit your workflow down the line. For this walkthrough, we'll start from a clean slate. At the top of the page, choose Blank Project. This gives you full control over how you name and organize your work without any pre-filled tasks or sections. Next, enter your project name. Aim for something clear and scannable so teammates can recognize it instantly in the sidebar and search. Many teams use a short, consistent naming pattern like a department tag followed by the initiative. Whatever you choose, clarity here saves time later. Now choose your privacy setting. This determines who can see and collaborate on the project. Pick the option that matches how broadly you plan to share updates. If you're setting up something sensitive or in early planning, a more limited audience can keep things focused. If the work is cross-functional, broader visibility can reduce status questions and duplicate effort. Click Continue to move ahead. You'll see an area with Asana recommended options. These suggestions are designed to help you set up best practice structures quickly. It's worth reviewing them so you understand what Asana considers a strong foundation. You can also switch to the popular section to view commonly used setups across teams. Even if you stick with your blank start, browsing these ideas can spark decisions about sections, fields, or views you might add later. When you're ready, click Create Project. Asana will open your brand new workspace, ready for you to tailor to your goals. That's all it takes to set up a new project in Asana. Simple, intentional steps that give you a clean, organized starting point for any initiative.